Guys, we're out here at Harold's Trim Shop, and we're gonna get started. Stay tuned. New interior coming up.
My father built this building in 1953, and he opened up a trim shop, which is what they used to call auto upholstery businesses. He ran it for over 60 years. We built lots of cars. And in 1969, we did an addition, or he did, which doubled the size of the building, and he also upholstered furniture. My grandfather ran a furniture upholstery shop here since 1939 in a building next door to this.
So needless to say, this building has a lot of history.
A lot of automotive history, yeah. If I had $1 for every car that's been drove in here, I'd take a long vacation. I've worked here for years, a long time, but I bailed out a few years ago. Now I have a cushy job working for BMW.
So you used all that experience?
Yeah, I guess. No, BMW don't know about my experience because they don't care. Auto original books, that thing's got to be worth something. Look at that. There's your dime.
Look at there. We're in the black now. All right, well, every simple plan comes with its own unique setbacks. And what we've got here is, the first one is this frame. If you can see that, let's get you some more light. This frame, this is actually the better of the two, but it has proceeded to rot away a bit, and that's going to be a problem. We won't have anything to hog tie to. So what we're going to do is do some frame modifications. We're going to see if we can use some sheet metal here and strengthen up these frames. All right, we're making some progress here, it looks like.
Yeah.
My hands are about too dirty to mess with it. Man, it looks good. So I wanted to show you what we got so far. The rear bench seat, it's looking good. Let me show you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking sweet. We're coming along on these bottom pieces. I got something to hog ring to here now. And we put a little rivet in. Then we take one of these rivets, throw it in there. Give her a few squeezes. You guys know how to rivet though, don't you? I'm sure you do. We're headed back towards the trim shop, the upholstery shop today. Let's see if we can finish up the passenger seat and the headliner if we can get that done. I'm so excited about the way these things are going to look in the K5 Blazer. With the carpet, it's going to be popping. So yeah, let's get after it. Hold on, now we got it. Now we got it. All right, so basically what we're doing is we're going to swap the sides from passenger to driver. That way the one that's got the more wear is now going to be on the passenger side, and the one that's barely been used is going to be on the driver's side. That's a pro tip.
Yeah, I've done that many times before. That just happened to Don.
You know what they say about experience?
What's that?
Well, you can't buy it, but it sure is valuable.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I heard.
Yeah. It's a great idea. I love it. Yeah, they worked. This one has a bit of foam in the hole. Perfect.
So the hook.
We're hoping it.
So this goes on the outside.
This would go.
Door is, which is
Yes.
gonna be
This
right
side.
This side. So let's go like that.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna wipe it off with our shirt rag.
Oh yeah. Pretty straight. I'm not gonna
I'm gonna put this on tomorrow when I come in. Okay. Might need to trim a touch. How did I go from having all my bolts to only having half my bolts? I don't know.
There's some bolts in here that go. Wait a minute. So this cable came off of
The pass?
open seat.
Yeah, we'll put it on there. It goes on one of these bolts.
I think these bolts right here are the ones who came out of that front piece right there.
Oh, okay. Can't get that one done.
These guys that made these seat covers, whoever they were, they actually did a good job. They fit well.
We got those from LMC, so.
Yeah, so we recommend LMC if you got a truck and need some seat covers.
Yeah, the upholstery turned out good. Kudos to LMC on the sewing.
Whoever they bought them for in China. Whoever they bought them from in China does a good job.
Yeah. It helps when you got a good install man too, though. Looks good.
Tell everybody when they put these together, if they don't have these seat tracks lined up, they're never going to bolt it in the car. They'll work on it for days and drive themselves crazy.
That's a pro tip.
Yeah.
All right, we're also gonna redo this headliner, but we gotta get the old material off first. So we're gonna work on that now. Scraping this off so we can put it fresh. I'm breathing in all sorts of dust, so you probably want to like do this with a respirator, but not me, because I'm a man. Probably getting the mesothelioma. It's okay. Gotta die something. I'd rather die working on, old Chevy pickup trucks, so. You need to be careful with this stuff. It starts to separate. Stop what you're doing. Slow down. Especially at these edges. Like that. Don't do what I did. Yeah. All right, we got it cleaned off. And now we just need to go get some fabric and we will get some new material glued to it. So we got the headliner material and we got some contact cement. And this is our, you know, what do you call this? The headliner backer?
I guess that's as good as any.
So we're gonna try to glue it on here without ruining and having to go buy more material, basically.
Roll it kind of light on this material because there's a lot of soot through that crap. You're not careful to the front side, you know what I mean? And I had used just those foam rollers, but come by about now.
It's coming apart.
It's coming apart.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to make sure we need to clear just a little bit on the front here, about right there. Sort of lay it down and then start in the middle and rub this stuff down. Line in it right there.
Oh yeah. Dang.
So when you go putting your sun visors up, be really careful because hang that crap in screws and it'll rip a hole in it.
All right, we got the seats done, and here they are. I think they look really, really good. This is the bench seat. It came out real good. I wanted to show you, this is the door panel lower carpets. We got a full carpet kit going in next. As soon as it comes back from paint, we got a full carpet kit going on it. We got a full weather stripping kit going on to be installed. And here's the headliner. Here's my pile of trim pieces that all need to be cleaned and gone through and repainted. I would say the upholstery was a success. We're gonna get these pieces installed as soon as we get the truck back from paint. We'll get that carpet in. We'll get the seats in, the back seat in. It's gonna look like a new rig. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll see you very, very soon. Thanks, guys. Now, what year is this Ford?
It's 52 Victoria 2-door hardtop.
Love the color. Probably hard to see, but that interior is mint. But, you know, that's what we did here.
Yep. Daddy and Alex did the secret of Chevrolet pickup there. That was about 10 years ago now, but.
You can't get them like this at LMC.
No, probably not. I mean, that is the original 62 material, that cloth is.
This is?
Yeah. Yeah, we were done the seat in that thing 1980 something, and we put 63 material in it because Daddy had bought 62 material for it, but we couldn't find it. And then about 15 years ago, we found the 62 material, so we redone it again and put the right stuff in it, which, you know, nobody knows the difference, but anyway.
Some do.
Somebody might.
Some do.